Hello, 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 hello. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Hello to my group of kings and queens today. I hope everyone is doing fine and doing well. Um, I'm coming around. I got some good days and some bad days, just like everybody else. I'm hanging in there on a wing and a prayer. Um, I just came today to show you guys how to do one of the famous designs that sell a lot in my on my Etsy shop. But it's normally the older Betty Boops that I used to use. So today we're going to do a design with some of the new Betty Boops. And I know you guys know I love Betty Boop. I love her, guys. And so I've been working doing some cute little things with them and working on my Etsy shop. Okay, let's get started. So we're in Canva, and as you know, Canva is free, but they also have Canva Pro, which you pay for, which is $12.99. And it's worth every bit of it. They have a lot of things on here. They even have their own AI, which I think needs to be updated because you can't do any really good images on there. I know recently we've been using Bing and we've been using DALI 3 and ideogram. I did a video on ideogram. We have been using different AIs, and I have too. But I have so many designs, guys, until I've gotten to the point where I want to do something with these designs that I already have. So, with that being said, I would like to make designs with them if I can. I think a good idea is to post the design and the image by itself, and just charging a little bit more to go along with it to have something different. Show your talent. Who knows? You could be a terrific graphic designer. I be in here playing around all the time, and I love it. I just love it. So let's start. We're gonna upload the latest Betty Boops that I have. Check this one out right here. Now, let me tell y'all something that I fell in love with. Now, these are cut off, so what I did was, I'm not going to use this one. What I did was edit the photo, and I cut off, because you can use edit photo, and then you can use magic eraser. I don't know why it made that so big. Let's go back and try that. I wonder, can you crop it? Let's try to crop it first. When can you crop it? I think you can crop it. Yeah, just a little. That's right. That's what I did at first. I cropped it. And even though I like that girl in that pink right there, so I cropped it a little. Then you go back to edit photo, and then you go to magic eraser. And I don't know why it didn't use the crop image. But anyway, you go to magic eraser, and you can just take your magic eraser and take them off because the whole picture did not come out. Okay, so whichever AI I was using, tag it didn't come out all the way. Come on, come on. So this is what you can do to take them off. And sometimes you can go and download that image that I did in the beginning, and then come back and finish it. That's the best way to do it. Okay, let's see how much it takes off right there. Let's try to take out this little piece right here. Then we'll go back over here and try to clean this up a little bit more. I'm just showing you how to use Magic Eraser. Because sometimes you're going to need this if you're working with images, okay? I'm drinking my nightly tea, y'all. And so this is how it comes out, and it's so cute. But we're not going to use this one. In my prompt, I put, let me see, Black African American futuristic Betty Boop with the short haircut, um, designer sweatsuit and designer suitcases, wearing high heel shoes with an airplane in the background, with a cute cartoon, I think it was clip art cartoon airplane in the background. Okay? And these still came out really cute. So, all right, we're going to get rid of those and we're going to use the ones that I really, 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 really like. And let me show y'all something. I got this from another group. This was my favorite. I mean, all-time favorite. When I seen this, y'all, I almost hollered. Now, you tell me that damn jammer right there ain't cute. Okay, let's go. Okay, so they were freebies, by the way. Okay, it was a freebie. So here's our girl right here, and it's a little blurry, but I cleared that up after I got finished with it. And what we're gonna do is remove the background. So we're gonna go edit photo and remove the background, so we won't have any problems with that. And we're gonna go and do our text. So we're gonna go over here and hit text. And then we're gonna put our text in. Oh, sip. And then this one is gonna go at the top, and then we're gonna go, oh, sip. It's because I know everybody is getting all these images and don't have nothing to do. It's a girl's trip. Nothing to do with them, but just sell them separately. But you can get another sale if you do a design with them, right? Okay, so then we're gonna find a cute with this one right here. Let me do this because I want it to have a space in between. Okay, so I want that to be like that and that to be like that. So we have our wording, and we want to find the font. So you're gonna click on it, and the font that I used is this Quincho script. I like it. It is so cute. So what you do is click on your word and click Canva Sans, and then pick out the font that you want. And I'm picking that one. And you go on the bottom, Canva Sans, and click on the font that you want. Okay? And so there's our fonts. I'm going to make them as big as I can. Hope y'all don't hear me sipping in the background. Okay. And now what we're going to do is, and you know what I was thinking about this? This was so cute, but that's a lot of extra work. Is to make the poses a little different. What you can do is you can go in Cricut Design Space and you can split these. I don't know if you can split them in Cricut Design Space. I know there's a place where you can split them up and then maybe turn one this way and turn the other one a different way. Okay, so now, so they won't look the same, going the same way. Okay, so now we're going to add an element, and we're going to look at the cups and see what these wine cups look like, okay? I like this one because it's got a little color to it. The last one I did, it didn't have any color to it, so I want to use this one with a little bit of color. Okay. Sit. Okay. And then I'll just put the wine glass right there in the middle and make it a little bit bigger and bring the words down a little bit. Bring the words down a little bit. And yep, we got a thing going in the group. I can't even think of the name right now, but that's okay. It's coming. Okay. I know y'all saying, what's coming? Okay, so now what we want to do is find a plane. And I've been playing around with these planes all day. So I think I'm going to try to use this one this time. And I'm going to put it right here. Bring it in a little bit. And put it right there. Then I want to add a little blur to it. So these are what you would call blue blur. Add a couple of them because you want it to be a nice color for the background. Send to the back. Layer, send to the back. Layer, send to the back. So that then when you send all of these to the back, it's going to show your item a little bit better. But I think what I'm going to do is, and I'll let you guys see it after I'm done, is what I'm going to do is change up their faces. I don't like the way I should have did it, whatever group, what AI I was using. I should have did it in there, but I didn't. And guess what? This is done. It's a girls' trip. So, it's all done. You can use different blurs if you want. If you wanted to use red, you could use red or just type in a red blur. And you could use red. See how the blur comes up right there? But I wanted to use blue. Reminded me of the sky and the plane. Okay? All right, so then we'll group that together. Group it all together. And get it ready for download. What you're going to do is share, download. Make sure you do transparent background. You're going to click on that and then you're going to download it. Excuse me. The way to do a quick little watermark is text. And then you'll go up here to the right hand corner where it says transparency and click on that and then bring it all the way down so you won't see it that well. And then bring this in a little bit. And then I always put it right up under their faces. But now I'm getting to the point where I'm taking the design, I'm taking it and putting it right across their eyes. Because people is getting so silly these days. It's just really silly. And so that's it. And then you can take this and make it a little bit smaller. and you can use this to put it on put on your Etsy shop so they can see it and buy it. Okay, or whatever your website or whatever it is, it's got that little watermark on it. You can even use it to go across their eyes with this one. Okay, because it's hard to clean it up when you go on across their eyes. Trust me, they hire it up if they want to do it, and it's going that watermark is across their eyes. I wouldn't even buy anything like that. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you guys on the next time. Thank you for joining me. If you want to subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And when I do something, it will let you know that, hey, Kim is on and she's done a video, a free video. So come on over there. Hit the thumbs up hand and leave a comment. Let her know that you care. All right. Good night, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, and if anybody wants to know what I'm using to record, it's called OBS Studios. You can use it to record things with. Okay. Bye bye.